that's what we're doing. So, as you can see, I am not where I normally am. I'm in the kitchen. I don't have any makeup on, which is why I have not taken these sunglasses off. But here we go. You ready? You ready?
What's that?
Why you got it? So let me tell you guys what's going on here. I did not want to film just a regular beauty video because that's boring, and I like cooking, and cooking with Journey is pretty fun / chaotic. So I figured, why don't I show everybody how I cook something that I've never cooked before. I've never had a breakfast burrito. They seem good in theory, but I've never had one. When I thought about it, I was like, okay, those are pretty easy steps to, you know, go by. It's just egg, rice, egg, sausage, and hash brown and cheese. We're gonna attempt to do that today, even though I've never cooked it before. So far, I have the water boiling for my rice. Yeah. Says stirring rice cover. Now we're gonna go ahead and make the hash browns. Run this pan. Oh my god. These screws are burnt. It's kind of shiny. But I do have an air fryer. This is the bottom thing for the air fryer. I used this once, so I don't really know what I'm doing. There was like a thingy-McBobby to it, but I don't know where it went. Yeah, boy. Here's what I got going on here. Not sure how well this is gonna work, but we're gonna try it. Fire this bad baby up. You do. Now we need a skillet. Now I need a bowl. And since I am on YouTube right now, I have to use a clear cube bowl. Okay, disclaimer, I don't know how to crack eggs. Don't try to check me, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna use the egg making bowl. My dad always makes eggs in this bowl. Sorry I'm not fancy with all these clear bowls. Hey, that was good. Smelling good. Oh, butter. That's what I'm doing. Your girl gets distracted sometimes. And I want to actually make a smoothie. So when all this is done, we're gonna make our smoothie while everything else is cooking. Go ahead and light this firecracker up. Woo! Look at that fire! I know what everybody is thinking right now. Why am I watching this beauty guru make a breakfast burrito? And honestly, I have no explanation for that either, but I will let you know. You enjoying it, ain't you? Don't lie. I know you is. Watching videos of people who don't know how to cook try to cook is quite frankly the best thing on the internet, so relax. You're normal. This is what I make my smoothies with. It's very loud, so be prepared. Oh, I know what I could talk about. I have just recently started watching Game of Thrones. All I can say is I judge everybody who watches it. Like I said, I'm judging everybody. Oh yeah, you too. Y'all are nasty. Period. Yeah, that show is pretty weird. I'm not gonna lie though, I understand nothing, yet I keep watching. And honestly, when I first started watching it, I was like, okay, this is gross. It's gory, it's graphic. I'm talking, you will see a man get his head cut off in the first 10 minutes, I believe, of the show. It's quite graphic, quite graphic. There's some other real crazy incest type stuff. You know what that is. Now let's check out our creation. Ooh, look everybody. It's crispy. It's a crispy pie. Now we're gonna let those cool down. I'm currently cleaning up because I'm a clean queen. My mom would disagree, but hello, I'm cleaning, hence clean queen. I'm gonna make the sausages over here. It's pretty anticlimactic, so. Okay, so. Oh, like what is beeping? Now we take these. You ready for this? You ready? Shh, shh, everybody be quiet. I said be quiet. Not satisfying at all. This is literally so good. Who's chewing like that? Now we take our knife. Ah! This is cutting like a dream. Oh my god. Okay, that didn't cut very well on camera, but it just, trust me, okay? First, we add the ice. Actually, yeah. Not too much ice. I learned that the hard way. And we add our bananas. Now, we get our strawberries and cut up some berries. Ow! Ooh. Oh my god! 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 I gotcha! And I'm not trying to make a lot, so that looks just about perfect. Let me show you how cool this little creation is right here. We're gonna go smoothie mode, and then we're gonna start. That is so good. We're gonna puree this thing, alright? I don't know what that means, so maybe we shouldn't puree it. Let's just crush it. That thing sounds like dance. Yo, this is so much fun. I'm having so much fun. Now we get our tortilla. Oh my god! Add some meat. Hash browns. Yum! Now as I see the people, oh god, this is like way too big. This is how I see the people from Chick-fil-A do it. And then they wrap that bad baby up in some aluminum foil. Ta-da! Now for our first taste test! Shut up! It's actually really tasty. Let's try the smoothie. Okay, but this is so good. I know my burrito fell apart. This is so good. Preparation-wise, it was a lot. But honestly, it was really worth it because this is really good. Wow. See, my mind. I'm just so powerful. Well, that's all for this beauty guru tries to cook and doesn't know what she's doing. Until next time, I'm everybody. Peace!